In the SEO course video, friends, today we will learn how you can do social bookmarking. Okay, off-page SEO basically means creating quality backlinks. How do you get them on third-party websites, right? We need trustworthy, do follow the link from them. And this helps our network grow, increases website authority, improving our search engine ranking. So social bookmarking is just one of these off-page activities. Social bookmarking is also one of those activities. It's very simple, it's easy, just follow the steps I show, implement them practically, and you can create many valuable backlinks easily. So let's get started. So friends, because I need to do social bookmarking, I will search right here for top social bookmarking sites for SEO. So when I search for this, some popular and big websites pop up here. But you can do that in them, but let me explain the process to you, okay? Let's just pick any one website, simon.tech. This site provides hundreds of other websites, friends, and many of them are free, meaning you don't have to pay anything. Many other websites like this provide us with lists of other websites, like the list which we are seeing. Okay, what do we do now? We need to go to list of sites. Understood that here is the list shown here. I'll randomly choose one website. Now let's try walklet.com for now, okay? I copied it, and as this list also shows the domain authority, the DA of these sites. So first, let's take this URL here. Let's open it and then we will check the site for social bookmarking. Basically, what are these sites? Like social media platforms, okay. Here, checking the DAPA is absolutely essential. Whenever doing off-page SEO, any activity like classified submission, article submission, social bookmarking, whatever you're doing, you must check the DA and PA. So you can check yourself, friends, that the link is from a high authority site, right? So here, just search for DAPA checker, find lots of sites. Use the one you feel comfortable with, okay. Famous one from the long time is Moz. DAPA are their metrics as you see. Okay, we will paste that site's URL right here. Let me just quickly copy the site link once again from here. Here, paste the link into the box and then check its DA and PA. Okay. So now as we will check the DAPA here, it should pop up quickly. Look at this domain authority is 70 and that's really good. And check linking root domains, see how many domains link to it, keywords. Ranking keywords, it ranks for many keywords and the spam score is excellent, meaning that this is a good website, friends. So to create a backlink, go to the site and after landing, just sign up directly. Okay, let's just sign up here. We'll probably need some validation, right, to create links and stuff. Okay, friends. One moment, it's opening. Okay, it gave us different options now for how to log in or sign up. Okay, so I will just use Gmail here because my Gmail is already open and that way sign up will be quick. Let's click that. Or create an account using your email and password, then a verification email comes. Just click OK. That's also very easy done. Let's continue. After clicking continue, here next. Now the process of creating our account is complete. The website is opening for us. Our account should be open now. Okay, now it's asking, tell us about you. Are you an educator, student in technology, admin, library or other employee outside education? Let's say I'm not in education, although I have a digital marketing agency and teach, so I can select that I'm an educator, right? But okay guys, for now I'll just choose technology and instructor course here. If none apply, choose other option, okay? And the country, my country is India. Since I am in India, I will select India. If you are in any other country, please select your country there. Let's click done. After clicking done, we move to next step. Okay, so here you can see the create collection option appearing, right? We'll click here, then go to blank collection. Now first we need to enter a title. Let's put best digital marketing agency, okay, in Delhi. Okay, entered. Let's go here and here's the description box. So I prepared a description, just a dummy one for this example. Remember, for social bookmarking and classified ads and such things, 150 to 250 words is usually enough. For articles and blogs, you need more content. We'll cover building backlinks for those and more offsite techniques later. We'll explain it all then. Then I will copy the content from here. Okay. Go back to the site, description box, paste it in. Okay. Now here you see we have digital marketing agency, right? Here. Okay. What is the next step? I'll take digital marketing agency in Delhi. Select it. And here add hyperlink. And here, and then I will copy the link which I need. Let's go back. Okay, there we are. Now paste it in and then save it. All right. So we added the hyperlink here and let's start it. Okay, now you can see the hyperlink is active here and my content is in place. It's saving automatically here. Yep, it's saved. I'll close this editor now. Okay. As you can see here, this is our URL. If you go to your collections, you can see best digital marketing agency. Our collection is showing inside our account. We can create multiple backlinks just like this. If we will click on this once, this is the URL. This is the one which we had made. This is the link which we got the backlink. Okay. And if someone visits this site or this page which we made, then click here, they will go to our site. That's backlink because traffic goes to our site from there. So this is how you can do social bookmarking on many social media or bookmarking sites. Add your content is just the same way, even add images, make things colorful and so on. You can add attachments later and such. I'm just teaching basics now. Think what extra content to add, right? Images, text and where to place links. Got it? And the better your content is, the better is your title, the better your images are, the more valuable the information you will provide in your social bookmarking posts, the more credibility you build. More likely to get to follow links as sites check submission quality. You can't just grab anything, cut and paste it, that harms their site's credibility too. Always focus on quality work. So when the host site reviews it, they see quality work, effort and good content here. It is a good value addition for their website because you are giving really good content to their website, right? So in this way, you can also do social bookmarking. Okay. We'll teach more of page activities as we go. I hope you understood this well, friends. Thank you.